Hey players, so it's over. Yesterday, a Georgia judge threw out the felony indictment against the former district attorney, Jackie Johnson. As we all know, she was charged with felony obstruction after prosecutors alleged that she was trying to protect the two murderers of Ahmaud Arbery. Let's talk about it. So as we all know, on February 23rd, 2020, Ahmaud Arbery was chased down and murdered by Travis McMichael, while his father, Greg McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan, a neighbor, assisted in this entire thing. Now, after the heinous act was committed, Greg McMichael, Travis McMichael, nor William Roddy Bryan were immediately charged in this case, and prosecutors argued it was because Greg McMichael was an investigator for the district attorney in this case, Jackie Johnson. The case was passed over to several district attorneys, but no charges were filed on this case until William Roddy Bryan leaked the footage of the actual shooting. Now, as we all know, William Roddy Bryan thought that that was going to exonerate him as well as Greg and Travis McMichael, but what it did was put some fire under the butts of people, and they were able to press until charges were filed in this case. Now, the district attorney, Jackie Johnson, was charged in 2021 with felony violation of oath of office and misdemeanor obstruction of police. Apparently, prosecutors believed that she told a police officer not to arrest Greg McMichael nor Travis McMichael in this case. Now, Jackie Johnson finally went to trial last week. There were several delays in this case, and one of the reasons is because her attorney, Brian Steele, was the attorney for Young Thug. Now, it began with jury selection, which many people took issue with the makeup of the jury because it was composed of mostly white people. But either way, the trial went on, and the prosecutors called several witnesses, including Ahmaud Arbery's mother, who testified that she believed that Jackie Johnson obstructed this case. It was a lot of stalling, and she never knew what was going on with the case because the information was not readily available to her. She felt like they just weren't taking the situation seriously. Now, prosecutors did rest their case on Monday, but the judge did throw out the misdemeanor obstruction of police charge against Jackie Johnson. He said that prosecutors failed to prove that Jackie Johnson committed that obstruction. Apparently, an investigator testified that they never spoke to Jackie Johnson about this case, even though prosecutors argued that she told someone not to arrest Travis or Greg McMichael. So on yesterday, the judge continued in his throwing out of things, honey, because he threw out the felony charge of violation of oath of office against Jackie Johnson, basically acquitting her on the charges. He said that he didn't want to do it, but prosecutors failed to prove their case. He also stated that he really felt sorry every time he thought about this case to Ahmaud's mother. So Jackie Johnson has been acquitted on this case. There's no going back. It's all over and done with. We all know that something happened, definitely, because why did it take so long for those culprits to be charged? It doesn't make any sense. And it appeared that Jackie Johnson was just kicking this can on down the road, and if that tape would have never been leaked, I don't think there would have been any charges. So Jackie Johnson was not reelected. Not sure what she's up to right now. She's pretty much flew under the radar. So it's going to be very interesting to see what she does next, since she has been acquitted on these charges. I feel so sorry for Miss Wanda Cooper Jones, and I'm sending her all the love today. Please put your thoughts in the comments. It's Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.